Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys my February Allure box, and don't mind all of this going on. It looks pretty bad on camera, but actually it's getting a lot better. I did decide to come on here with no makeup, which I told you guys sometimes is really hard for me, but yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead. Hopefully you guys enjoy these types of videos. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share if you do as well. And let's just go ahead and get started with the video. This box retails for $15 a month. It will include full size as well as some deluxe size sample items. So I'm just grabbing the pamphlet out so I can talk to you about each of the items. So the first item that I see here is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Glow Highlighter. Looks like it's a smaller size. I don't believe this is a full size. It is in a little cardboard box. Not box, but packaging. And it looks like this. It's really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It doesn't feel dry or anything. It feels really nice. Can you guys see that? I don't even know if you can right there. It's kind of a golden sheen, really pretty. I'm excited to try that. I've never tried anything from Wonder Beauty. It is saying here that it retails for $30, and I'm assuming the full size does. This is not the full size. It says you can find it at wonderbeauty.com, and if you put the code WB Allure at checkout, you can receive 20% off of a purchase from February 1st to March 31st, 2020. Yeah, so that's all it says about that. That's really pretty. I can't wait to use that. I love highlighters. So that's nice. And then we got this, it looks like a NYX professional makeup brush. It looks like it's in 03. Let me open it. I always love getting brushes because I love brushes. And I think I used to see this when I worked at Ulta. Oh, it feels really soft. Oh, it's nice. It feels very good quality. And it is brush number 03. It looks like they had a couple different ones that you could have either gotten. This was one of them, and it looks like another one. So this says that they retail from anywhere from $14 to $17. You can buy them on nyxcosmetics.com. I do know that Ulta carries a few of their brushes as well. It says if you enter Allure NYX at checkout, you can receive 25% off of your purchase. Exclusions apply from February 1st, 2020 to March 31st, 2020. This looks like the Pro Powder Brush, or you could have gotten the Pro Contour Brush or the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. So I believe I got the powder one, I think. It doesn't tell me if the powder is 03, but I'm assuming because the other two are smaller. Okay, and it just says that it can be used with foundation, concealer, depositing products onto the skin. The bristles are packed nicely to get a more even coverage. And the powder brush can also be used for blush and highlighter. So that's really nice. I love, it's super soft. I can't wait to use it. And if I like it, I would definitely buy more from them because I love brushes. Okay, so let's move on. The next item is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. And I am very familiar with this. I have talked about this on my channel. If you are new, this is something that I have talked about. It's something that I do love, have purchased and over again. I feel like overall with the appearance of my skin that it does really help my skin. And I have not used this anytime recently because I ran out and did not get another bottle. But it is something that I do like and I have talked about. Right here it says that it is $58 for the full size. You can get it on bareminerals.com/allure. And it says if you enter more beauty at the checkout, you can receive 15% off of your purchase. Excludes customizable kits. Offer is valid February 1st through March 31st of 2020. And I do know that Ulta carries this as well. Let's see. It is a serum that you can put on after toning prior to moisturizing. Gives you a little bit of hydration and anti-inflammation to kind of help with the redness and all of that. So yeah, I do like this product. I know of this product and I do recommend this product. So this is a great way for people who have not tried this to try it. And I do believe that it does help with the appearance overall of the skin. Okay, so the next item that I got was the Belief Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. It says it improves skin elasticity and it's dermatologically tested. This is a sample size, it looks like, and it looks like this. It's just like a creamed color. This is a really good sample. This will last a very long time. I have tried products from Belief. I have not tried this specific one, but I have tried their eye cream, a different one of their eye creams, and I did enjoy it. Right here it's saying that it's a eye cream that's made with peat extract of organic material for helping with rosacea. It's velvety shea butter. It does retail for $58 on Sephora.com. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. I love getting eye creams. I don't have a ton of eye creams in my collection, which is kind of funny because I have everything else. But I'm excited to try that. I am working on a new one that I just got. It happens to be right here. This was an Ipsy add-on that I did. I'm sorry, BoxyCharm. It's the QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. I think I got this on there for like $12. It's a 0.50 ounce. I have been using this and I have really been enjoying it. I think that it is a really good product so far from what I've seen. I only use it at nighttime because I have a different daytime one, but I have really been liking it. So once I finish that up, then I'll try that one. The next item that I see here on the box is, it looks like a lipstick, an Ultra Cream lipstick from the brand Appeal. Really pretty packaging. Man, this is really nice. Has that little kind of handle, like bullet, I guess you would say, end. I'm going to try to open this real quick. While I open it, I'm going to read to you what it says. It says that it's more than just a nude lipstick. It swipes on easy. It's a creamy lipstick. It retails for $21. It says that it can be purchased on appealcosmetics.com. I've never heard of this brand, so this is exciting. I always love to try new brands. Enter the Allure 20 at checkout. You can receive 50% off of a purchase. And then it says that goes from February 1st to March 31st. And I'm definitely going to check it out because I think if I can get 50% off of something, and if a lipstick is $21, I think that's a pretty good deal. Really pretty packaging. I did scratch it a little bit, but this is what the color looks like. Wow, that's really pretty. And this is what the packaging looks like. Wow, I know I'm gonna like that. It smells, it doesn't have like a really pretty smell, but it's pleasant. It's okay. It kind of smells like cocoa butter a little bit. But that's really cute. The packaging is super, super cute. It just goes like that. So like I said, that retails for $21. And then I mask in here, it looks like it's the Super Beauty Mask in Rose with Jarrett Tea. It says Honey Jarrett. It's a moisturizing and brightening mask. It looks like this. And I'm not really big on sheet masks, so I'll probably share this with you guys either for a upcoming giveaway or something. It does say here, Jarrett Tea is our exclusive complex, a super beauty water made of moringa, lemon, myrtle, kombucha. Honey Jarrett's unique clean water complex soothes rough skin and provides natural vitality while moisturizing the dry skin. That sounds really, really good. But like I said, I would use it if it wasn't a sheet mask. I don't care for sheet masks. I feel just kind of claustrophobic with them. And I have tried over and over and I just waste them. So yeah, I'm going to hang on to this for someone. Thing that I see, which I think might be just like a little incentive in the box, is this Olay Regenerous Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. And it does include a $3 coupon as well. This is a very small sample size, which is, I mean, pretty typical for a sample. Definitely smells like the normal retinol. It's kind of creamy. I'm not going to put my hand in it because I'm probably going to save that for you guys. I don't do really well when it comes to Olay products. They don't agree with my skin. So I'm going to save that for you guys, as well as the Bare Minerals Longevity, just because I have tried that. I know that it is a good product and I do like it, but I have so much in my skincare right now that I don't necessarily need that. Oh, and then the brush. So overall, I think that for $15, this was a really nice box. I am excited about the highlighter, the lipstick, and the makeup brush for sure. And like I said, I am excited about these items as well. However, I won't use that in this. I've already used many times and know that I love it. So I'm just going to give that to you guys. And this was a really nice extra incentive. Oh, and then I did forget about the Belief Eye Cream. I'm excited for that one for sure because I have tried their skincare and I do, really like it. So that is everything, guys, that I got in this month's February Allure box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I apologize about the lighting. It has gotten dark. But yeah, guys, so this is going to complete this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you do enjoy unboxing videos, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you got this box and what you got in your box that was different from mine. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hello and welcome to all my new subscribers and to my longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And this is going to conclude the video for today. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.